Dimmer function. If there is a dimmer module in the modules list, follow this procedure to set it. Click on the pointer on the right of the dimmer that you want to set. It is possible to verify the correct wiring of the dimmer itself by clicking on the dimmer level and using the cursor in the bottom part of the screen. Type a description in the ID point box. Press the Settings icon on the right of the dimmer. Press the Settings icon again in the equation screen. The list of available options will appear. In this case, only dimmer. Press Dimmer. The Input Points list will appear. While choosing the point of access which will control the output that we are setting, press the Acquiring icon in the bottom right corner of the toolbar. The writing Activate Input will appear at the center of the screen. Press the button of the output that you want to set. The selected input will turn white. Select the line of the chosen point without pressing, for the moment, the pointer in the right part of this line. If we want, we can type a name in the ID input box in order to identify this point of control. By pressing the pointer in the right part of the line, the type of action will appear. Increase. By clicking this button, the intensity of the brightness will increase. Decrease. By clicking this button, the intensity of the brightness will decrease. Mono. A short pressure of this button turns the lamp on or off. A long pressure of this button sets the intensity of the brightness. Preset. Sets the brightness to the value typed in the box. Choose the action that you want to associate with, for example, mono. Once the function of the input point has been chosen, this will move up to the beginning of the list and will turn gray in order to indicate that it has been used. The icon associated with the type of the selected action will be shown. Press the Equations icon in the bottom left corner and proceed to the programming of the module by clicking the Programming icon. The Start and Stop buttons will appear. Press Start and wait for the completion of the operation, which will take a few seconds.